Hi, Ray and Dorcas. I'm here at 43306 Unit 6611, excuse me, Waterbird Way. It has a two-car garage. It has an on-demand gas water heater, which is located in the garage. This carriage home is water view with golf course view across the way. Go in the front door. So straight ahead is the dining area. When you walk in, to the right is going to be the guest wing and garage access. That's the garage door straight ahead. Here's your living area. That's set up for the TV there, sliders, and your kitchen. There's a good sized pantry here with shelving. And there's your gas stove. The microwave, dishwasher is there. Again, there's the dining room, the hallway to the guest area. Over here, that's going to be your master suite, and I'll go in there in a minute. This is your lanai, sliders from the living area, and sliders into the master suite as well. Good size lanai, plenty of room for furniture out here, a couple different sitting areas. And there's the golf course and your view. Okay, we're gonna step into the master suite. This is the main bedroom, good size, plenty of room for a king bed. It has the mount for your TV if that's something you'd like. And again, just to turn around quickly and look at the size of the lanai. So it's decent size. There are two walk-in closets, one on either side here. So here's one. And then basically the same thing on the other side. You have a sink, commode room, there's a linen closet there, and then a nice big huge walk-in shower and another sink over here. The lights are all new style fixtures. And big linen closet. All right, let's go check out the guest suites. So back into the living area here. Again, the hallway down there and the kitchen. Here's the guest bathroom, tub shower combination, sink, and the commode, of course. This is one bedroom. All the rooms have fans with lights. They're all remote controlled. Here's the second bedroom, guest bedroom. Crown molding throughout, crown molding in the bedrooms. That's unusual. It doesn't typically have crown molding in bedrooms. And then this is your laundry room here. Behind that door is your AC unit. And then back out to the garage.